How to change the year on Google Earth. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to your application Google Earth. Make sure you are logged in. Once you're in this page, tap on Explore Earth. And then tap on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down in the section of Show Additional Layers. You have to enable the option of Historical Imagery. Once you have enabled the option, go back and it will land you on this page. Search for any of the specific place that you want to see. Once you have entered the specific location, now you will be right here. And then, right above the location, you can see the time range. In order to change it, you simply have to click on this left arrow icon. And if you want to increase the year, then you have to click on this right arrow icon. That way, you will be able to change the year. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.